wanna play my DJ. I wanna rap it. Play my blood clot DJ. I'm a shot selector boy.
What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco back with another banger video. And yo, that mafia gang, you see what we're doing today, man? We're back with none other than Mr. Sinful himself, Mr. Ghost for Real, Mr. Searching for Goons. I don't know what Tabo, man. Yeah, man, we don't know. On our favorite artist to react to, we are talking about none other than RajahWild. You see me, and the one that is entitled Grung. You see me, I see what I deal with today. The last tracks we reacted from Raja was Tell Me and Ghost for Real. You feel me? And on Tell Me, man, he really surprised me. He probably surprised a lot of people. He took a really deep, more conscious approach to that song. So he surprised me, and I know he surprised a lot of people on that track. So if you didn't check out my reaction or check out the song, make sure you go check it out. My reaction is live on the channel. So go look up Raja Tell Me and Ghost for Real. You can check it out. Yeah, he really surprised me on the track Tell Me. So definitely go check out my reaction and go check out the track itself. You see me? He really took a deep approach and more conscious approach, and he surprised me. You see me? But today him drop Raja Grung. So it seemed like, I don't know, it seemed like this one he probably back on Demon Time or Dopey Time. I want to say, you see me, Caribbean version. We're not on Demon Time, they're on Dopey Time. You see me? Dopey sound boy. So that's the way that I deal with it. You see me? I say the one entitled Grung. I check it out and see where RajahWild up and see if he up on the conscious part, see him where are. You see me going back to your old self. You see me? I say so now all the vibes much longer. Make sure you check out the link in the description for the Discord. Really over there. Send me, talk to me directly, send me messages, all that good stuff. And if you like the video, man, consider subscribing and liking, man, and become part of the latest reaction channel. You feel me? So we now go over vibes and yeah, man, we're there back with RajahWild, the one named Grung, man. We'll check out it. We now all the vibe much longer. Let's get it, gang.
Sinful. Time in my life.
Entire scheme for kick up with a bunks. Easy now, man. Right, but a light. Come in again. You see me?
Seen a light. Just give me a light. Move on this a Grung, enter the scene, fuck it up with a bunks. Me leave with 3 dance, my man that rum. I seen a life, so up put the funds. Baby, if you know I fuck with a dunce.
Easy now, man. Yeah, man. Dog on some party vibes. You see me? Yeah, man. When I said go on the touch screen, fuck it up with a bunks. You see me? Alright, this way dog I deal with.
Life, so up put the funds. Baby, if you know I fuck with a dunce. I just the vibes, me no junk, never 2 man step above. 100 hours. Move on this a Grung. Baby, if you know I fuck with a dunce.
The dog a rocky, he don't smoke back them when everybody a burn out the yard. Everybody having you know, there's a whole thing going around in Jamaica with kids going back to school with their backpack with dunce written on it. So he got in the video right now. That's hilarious, man. One thing with Raja, you know, all I'm video them up, you know, quality wise, you know, you see me clear as fuck, dog, no cap.
It's a Grung, baby, if you know I fuck with a dunce.
See there, the dunks book
back. All my clocks boot there, all my crap from me, all my pass through. I fucking else still I beat them bad Frank White on my belt.
Still I beat them bad Frank on that quiet on my belt. I want to talk to them, Raja. Blood clean, easy now. Come in.
Till I beat them bad Frank White on my belt. Catch a hack, I'm a rock. I'm a cock with a spoon with a pot. Still I live in another trap. I doesn't keep
money in our pot.
Catch a hack, I'm a rock. Catch a hack, I'm a rock.
Catch a rock, I'm a rock. Easy now, man. Yeah, man. Dog, I do it. This is a vibe, gang. What y'all think about this one? This is a vibe. Come on. You just chilling on this one.
Catch a hack, I'm a rock. Catch a hack, I'm a rock. Catch a hack, I'm a rock. I'm on this a Grung.
Easy now, man. Only vibes, I want to low key see what that he put in that bottle. You see me? What are that there? Alright, I put in that thing, dog. I want to go on this again.
Catch a hack, I'm a rock.
Let me just see.
Catch a hack, I'm a rock.
Catch a rock, I'm a rock.
I'm on this a Grung, enter the scene, fuck it up with a bounce. Me leave with 3 dance, my man that rum. I seen a life, so up put a fun.
you need even 3 dance, but we walk with you. Sing a life. Oh, we are not it. Come in again. Yeah, this is a vibe.
I sing a life, so up put the funds. Baby, if you know I fuck with a dance. I just survive, me no jump, never cheat, kill a step above 100 of us. I'm move bun this up.
Easy now, blood play. 8 million, I think too. Easy now, man. 8 million, who else? Nice. Yeah, man. 8 million, my dog apart.
Baby, if you know
Dog not, think the crocodile too.
now what your vibes away and
Song with skill there, man.
Baby, if you know me a gangster, show me a short, come grow with a anger. More like a dung if you know me a anchor. Fuck up in there with a rock, tapping nice, something up petrol.
Come in now with a rock. Be nice. Hey, yeah, man, a vibe dog with the thugs, them, man. Mad video, man. Come in.
Go back, bunny eyes, pussy, if you know this a rock. Used to this a front 2020, we a chat.
Under me rum. Run for the funds.
Baby, if you know I fuck with a
Easy now. Dog say, baby, if you know you fuck with a but.
I just survive, me no jump, never cheat, kill a step above 100 of us.
So never 3 killer step about 100.
Just step out, I'm a step, I'm a clock, boot there.
I'm a crap.
I'm a pass through, I fucking still a beat them, but Frank.
Yeah, man, the little thing, the little, what would I say? The little, breakdown right here kind of hard. You feel me? Yeah, man, this is a vibe. Come on. That one, like a vibes tune. You see me? I say. So, body in that club, man, I like. Yeah, what the pack? Catch a rock, yeah, hold me rock. I want to them, man, easy, Raja. Talk to them, man. Pablo. Hey, Pablo. Catch a rock, yeah, hold me rock. Easy now. Easy now, man. Yeah, man. Raja didn't think in a dog. That always come with some vibe tune. Film thing them kind of dark and thing, but still a vibe. You see me, I say?
Sinful.
Yeah, man. Man, family. They know their own little girl. You see me, I say? Yeah, man. Shout out to them, bro. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to RajahWild and the whole team. Dog do it. Dog do it big. Dog do it real hard. You see me, I say? Dog always these commercials, so damn disrespectful, bro. You see me, dog, I do it big, dog, I do it hard, you know what I'm saying? Always going hard, video quality and music, you keeping it up, keeping the vibes, bro. You see me, I say, you making bangers. I think this one gonna be a banger as well. You see me, just like Blood Clot, Wild, you know, this Razel, Hello Reels, you know, this, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so Reyes, yeah, they're gonna do bangers. This, especially in the club, I can hear this in the club. You know what I'm saying? So, gang, so let me know what y'all think about that one, man. If you like it, definitely go show the artist some love and support, man. You know, say Jambisco dancing. You know what I'm saying? And, gang, let me know what y'all think in the comment section, man. And let me know where y'all watching from, gang. You feel me? I say, and yeah, blood plead. Drop in the comment section. Make sure to check out the description to the Discord. Link to the Discord is in the description. Join the Discord, lead over there. You can send me messages, all that good stuff for me to react to. Talk to me directly, gang. Come on, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's get lit. You know, when I drop videos, I'm going to notify you right away. All that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, make sure you join the Discord. Also, gang, yeah, make sure you let me know when I react to also. And hit me in the comment section, gang. We're lit. We're on the road to 10K. You know what I'm saying? Just hit 3K. Thank you, guys. I appreciate y'all. I appreciate the love. We're going strong over here, guys. Road to 10K. You know what I'm saying? Next up 4K, next up 5K, then 10K, bro, 100K, a million. You already know. Till next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.